Hey, today I want to talk to you about tachometers and tools to use to find out what kind of RPMs you might be getting out of an engine you're working on. I have two that are at my disposal here that I picked up. One is the digital DTI 20K. The reason I picked that one up is because it goes up to 19,900 RPMs. And that one's a little bit pricier. And the reason I bought that was because, like steel chainsaws and two-stroke engines, sometimes they need to get up into, like 14,000 RPMs, and that's the one that I chose to help me determine that. The other one, though, which was one that I had earlier, this one actually says Briggs & Stratton on the case, but pull that out. This is a much less expensive alternative. It's called a Treysit, Treysit. And this one works a little bit differently in that it's a dial that you turn, and then as you turn it, this wire comes out. And let me demonstrate how it works. Alright, so what this thing is, it's called the Sirometer. And they show right there, you turn that out, and that wire gets to bouncing back and forth. So this says the range is between 800 and 50,000 RPMs. Although, I don't know, I think it would be hard to find a spot to hold it on the side of a chainsaw or something, but I could be wrong. So here's the Treysit. And what you want to do is when you hold it in place, you want to put it on a running engine. I'm going to set it right there on that running engine, and you turn this dial, and as you turn the dial, the wire comes out. Now this wire is going to start to vibrate back and forth, and what we want to do when that happens, we want to watch when that dial, when that wire is swinging back and forth at its widest. So we'll move forward until it's not quite as wide, and we'll back up, and we'll kind of find a sweet spot to when that thing is vibrating back and forth at its widest. So let's go ahead and give that a try. Alright, so if we look at that, we can see now the wire, that is where the wire was vibrating back and forth at the furthest distance. And if we look at the window in here, it shows there's a 3 and a 4. That's 3,000 RPMs and 4,000 RPMs. And we are like right in the middle at about 3,500 RPMs. That little notch on there tells us where we're at. So about 3,500 RPMs I think is pretty good. So that's how you use the Treysit.